First, rotate the hinges 180 degrees for proper fitting, otherwise, the seat may end up about 1 inch short after installation. Next, insert the stopper into the toilet bowl's top hole. Attach the hardware to the bolts in order and tighten. Keep the nut key for future removal or readjustment. Common questions and solutions. If the hinges are misaligned before installation, tighten the screw bolts and adjust them by hand to the correct position. If the stopper does not fit the top hole, use the alternative bottom mount method by installing it from beneath the toilet bowl. If the hinges pop out easily, use the included mini hex wrench to adjust the hinge screws and prevent instability during use. To clean using the quick-release hinges, shake the seat side to side, lift to remove, then align hinges with holes and press until secure.